Hi guys, Rohit here. I'm a software developer with over 3 years of experience, and in today's video, let's do LeetCode number problem 1 to sum. Given an array of integer nums and an integer target, return the indices of the two numbers such that they add up to the target. We are given an array here 2, 7, 11, 15 and a target 9. We just have to find out two numbers that will give us the target. I can see 2 and 7 will give us target, so we are returning their indices, that is 0 and 1. In the second example, I can see 2 and 4 will give us 6, so we are returning 1 comma 2. And in the third example, both of the number will give us the target, so returning them 0 and 1. My initial thoughts when I saw this problem is we can use two for loops. I can place one pointer here and another pointer here, and we can get the answer. So this approach is going to take O of n square times because we are be using nested for loops. This is not a very optimal approach, so I'll be doing a different approach that uses hash map. In the hash map approach, we have to use the complement for each number. So if the complement of the number is already in the hash map, then we found out the solution. So it's very simple. So first we'll calculate the complement of 2, so which is 7. So how we complement calculate is we'll subtract it with the target. So 9 minus 2 is 7. So the 7 is not in the hash map. So we'll store this number and its index. So 2 and 0. And we come to the next number, which is 7, and the complement of 7 is 2. So 9 minus 7 is 2, and we can see 2 is in the hash map and it's with its index. So we'll just return this and this index, so we'll get 0 comma 1. So this approach takes O of n times, and the space complexity is O of n. We'll see how to implement this solution in code. Let's create the solution now. First I'll create the hash map. Now I'll traverse the array. Range of len of nums. So now I will check the complement, like I will target minus nums of I. If this complement is inside the hash map, we'll return the result. If it's not inside the hash map, we will add the current number to the hash map. Okay, if complement in hash map, then I'll return a list, and inside the list it will be the index of this complement and the current number. So okay, if it's not inside the list, I'll add it to the hash map. Okay, I'll just return here. So this is just a dummy return. It will not do anything. Let's see if this works. It works. Yeah, thanks for watching everyone. See you.